Good morning, Nick Morel here from Nick Morel Abstracts, and I've just been in my studio for about 3 hours now. A customer's ordered this one. Just thought I'd run it past you and just catch up with you all. It's a 40 by 16. It's a swipe again, reflection swipes. Obviously, it's all I seem to be doing at the minute. All customers wanting at the minute. I'll just show you this. The customer asked for some metallic silvers, pink tones, pastel tones. So I've just created this for her. I've got some baby pinks in there, obviously the metallic silvers. I've run some pearlescent white through the middle, just to finish it off. And that's going quite nice, as you can see. I can't see, it's got a bit of lacing there. I haven't gone with my signature finish with my palette knife. You'll probably see me go through the middle. I just quite like the look of this one, the way it was all blending in with the pearlescent white. So it's all Peebo paints. I've just mixed all my pinks up myself with white. Put a bit of pearl in them as well, just to give them a bit of sparkle. Obviously, I'll high gloss this up. So it's a 40 by 16 this, a nice size. So got all the pinks in there that she wanted. It's got baby pinks, slightly brighter pink. I'll mix it up with a bit of pearlescent white, just to give it a bit of different contrast. Different tones of pinks. I swiped through with the kitchen roll technique, which you've seen me do on my other tutorials. I just want to show you how these pastel colours with a bit of silver, very subtle and a nice look. So I hope you guys are keeping safe in lockdown. I'm back to work on Saturday. I'm a hairdresser by trade, as you know. So our salon, Finicky's, me and my wife Fiona, we're back to work Saturday. And I think we're working 3 weeks, 7 days a week straight. My first customer will be 5 AM on Saturday. Let's say we haven't been back to work. We finished work on March the 23rd. So we're glad to get back and see all our customers. So I just thought I'd show you this one because the painting and the tutorials may slow down for the next 3 weeks, as I'm going to be cutting hair almost 24/7. But I thought I'd show you this one. Didn't do a tutorial with this one because you've seen this all before, but I'll just show you the different, just wanted to show you different colours combination. It's quite nice. Obviously running a bit of the Deco Arts pearlescent through the colours. So the colours I scraped out, as you've seen me do before, with my spatula knife, or mixing, and then we just scrape out the middle, and that gives me the guideline and hollows out so you can get some more paint down. And then I've just run the pearlescent Deco Arts on the bottom edge, and we swipe through with just a basic kitchen roll there, and we just wipe and wet the bottom edge to about sort of 1.5 to 2 inches, and wet that, and that makes it glide through the paint. Very simple. But I hope wherever you are in the world, things are looking a bit brighter. And keep safe. And please like and subscribe to my channel. That's Nick Morel Abstracts. Lots of tutorials on there for you guys to have a look at. So these ones I've called my reflection swipes, in loads of different colours you've seen me do. There's other ones on there as well, different pouring techniques. But at the minute, this seems everyone wants these at the minute, so it's pretty much all I'm doing at the moment is the reflection swipes. So give them colours a go. and say please like and subscribe to my channel. It means a lot. Any questions or any advice I can answer questions, I'm more than happy to. But say give them colour combinations a go and just follow the techniques. All of these are mixed with 50-50 Liquitex pour medium. I use that pretty much 100% of my time now. And the Peebo paint range, the high velocity paints, are absolutely perfect for the reflection swipes. They run so smooth. The high velocity, the metallicness of them is fantastic. I highly recommend using the Peebo range if you're going to start doing the reflection swipes. Okay, so I'll leave it there. Just wanted to run that one past you. Keep safe, guys. Big shout out to Catherine Osmore, who's helped me through these tough times. Follow her, Cos Creations. Julie Vatcher as well, another English artist in Paul Dorset, another fantastic artist you want to follow. She's got some amazing stuff. Courtney Holster in America as well. Follow her page. There's 3 artists that I've followed a lot and inspired me to create my art. Okay, so we'll leave it there. Keep safe, guys. Until next time, we'll see you later.